One time we were playing the Sibelius Fifth Symphony, and the ending of it is the most unusual one because it has like everybody plays bump, 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 and I played one. He would fool around with it sometimes, comedically, because it was an afternoon program, and the Jimmy Carter's wife was there, but he didn't think it was important at all. Anyway, I wasn't paying as much attention. I thought, well, we're at the end, no big deal. So I went, bah! all by myself.
Oh.
So the guy that was the head of the horn section went to the thing and wanted to get me back on where they could fire me. And Rossenberg says, he has strong sound. That was into that. Strong sound.